English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my English lesson. Today is a special day for me. I am at the gym. I want to be healthy. I want to have a strong body. But I am a beginner. I don't know what to do. Look! Here is Sarah. Sarah is a professional fitness trainer. Good morning, Lily. Welcome to the gym. How do you feel? Good morning, Sarah. I feel a little bit nervous. This gym is very big. There are many machines. There are many people. Don't worry, Lily. Everyone is a beginner on their first day. I am here to help you. We will learn together. Thank you, Sarah. I have a big goal. I want a healthy lifestyle. That is a wonderful goal. Why is a healthy lifestyle important to you? I feel tired every day. When I walk to the shop, I feel out of breath. I understand. Your heart and your lungs need to be stronger. Is it going to be very hard? I am not very strong. No, Lily. We start with simple things. Fitness is for everyone. Okay. What is the first thing we do today? First, we must do a warm-up. This is very important. Why do we warm up? Can't we just start running? No, that is dangerous. A warm-up prepares your muscles. It prevents injury. I see. What should I do for my warm-up? Go to that machine over there. It is called a treadmill. Okay. I am on the treadmill. It is moving. Just walk at a slow speed for 5 minutes. Breathe deeply. This is nice. It is like walking in the park. Yes. While you walk, let's talk about the 3 pillars of health. 3 pillars? What are they? Pillar number 1 is exercise. Pillar number 2 is food. Pillar number 3 is sleep. I thought exercise was the only thing I needed. No, Lily. If you exercise but you don't sleep, your body stays tired. I see. And what about food? Food is the fuel for your body. Think of your body like a car. If I put bad fuel in a car, the car does not go fast. Exactly. If you eat too much sugar and fast food, you have no energy. I love pizza and chocolate. Can I never eat them again? You can eat them sometimes, maybe once a week, but not every day. What should I eat every day? You need protein. Protein builds your muscles. Like eggs and chicken? Yes, and you need many vegetables. Green, red, and yellow vegetables. My mother always says, "Eat your carrots." Now I know why. Yes. Your mother is right, and don't forget water. I drink coffee. Is that the same as water? No. Your body needs pure water. Try to drink 2 liters every day. 2 liters. That is a lot of bottles. It is easy. Drink 1 glass in the morning, 1 with lunch, and one with dinner. Okay, I can do that. My 5 minutes on the treadmill are finished. Great. Now your heart is warm. Let's do some strength training. Does that mean lifting big, heavy bars? Not today. Today we use these small pink weights. We call them dumbbells. They look easy. 1, 2, 3. Keep your back straight, Lily. Don't move your shoulders. 4, 5, 6. Oh, my arms are getting heavy. That is good. That means your muscles are working. 7, 8, 9, 10. I am finished. Excellent. Now we rest for 1 minute. Rest is a part of the workout. Why do we rest? I want to keep moving. When you rest, your muscles grow. If you don't rest, you get hurt. Sarah, how many times a week should I come here? For a beginner, 3 days a week is perfect. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What do I do on Tuesday and Thursday? You can go for a walk, or you can go swimming. We call this active recovery. I like that name. It sounds professional. Now, let's do one more exercise. This is for your legs. It is called a squat. A squat? How do I do that? Stand with your feet wide. Now, imagine there is a chair behind you. Sit down slowly. Like this? Perfect. Now stand up again. Do 10 reps. 1, 2. My legs are shaking a little bit. That is normal. You are doing a great job. 8, 9, 10. Wow, I feel very warm now. You are finished with the hard work. Now we must cool down. Is that the same as a warm-up? It is the opposite. We want to relax the muscles now. We will stretch. This feels very good. I feel very tall. Stretching helps you stay flexible. It helps you relax after the gym. Sarah, thank you so much. I feel much better than this morning. I am happy to hear that, Lily. How do you feel about your healthy lifestyle now? I feel confident. I know it is a long journey, but I am ready. Remember, it is not about being fast. It is about not stopping. Don't stop. I will remember that. And what about our friends at home? Yes. Friends, are you practicing a healthy lifestyle? Tell us in the comments. What is your favorite healthy food? Every small step is important. Even walking for 10 minutes is great. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned some new English words today, like treadmill, weights, protein, and warm-up. Please like this video if you want to be healthy with us. And subscribe to the channel for more stories about Lily. Every day is a new chance to be better. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Stay healthy.